Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the JBL Clip 5. So I recently got this just because I wanted some sort of speaker to take around with me that wasn't so heavy, but also worked as a clip. So you can see here, this also acts as some sort of clip to clip onto your bag. And so this comes in handy when I'm hiking, anytime I'm walking out. And so we'll check this one out. This is a JBL Clip 5 and see what's inside. So as far as what's inside, this right here is the JBL speaker. It looks like you have the carabiner clip here on top. You also have the button controls on the side. So volume up, volume down, pause, play. Here on the side, you also have the Bluetooth pairing mode, the power button, and I forget what this button actually indicates. You also have a padding here in case you go ahead and place it downwards. But as far as what else is inside, it also includes a charging cable here, so USB to Type-C cable. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as what comes in the box. I'll be making more tutorials on the JBL speaker and testing it out and letting you guys know what I like and don't like about it. But overall, in case you're wondering, that's what it comes with.